Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to take you all to the monastery of Tawang, which is also called Tawang Monastery, one of the most oldest, largest monastery in India. So here, Tawang Monastery. Tawang Monastery is located in Tawang city of Tawang district in India, state of Arunachal Pradesh. Is considered one of the largest monastery in India. The famous Tawang Monastery is a popular tourist attraction. It sits on the peak of a hill about 10,000 feet above. It is situated in the valley of Tawang Chu, near the small town of same name, Tawang Chu, in northern east part of Arunachal Pradesh, and also in close to proximity to the Chinese border and also Bhutan border. So entering the Tawang Monastery itself is a grand experience. You will come across a huge door about 925 feet long and about 10 to 20 feet high. If we look out, we will see Tibetan tradition art, which we call Thankar. And this art is very special, and in Thankar we paint mostly the stage of Buddha and God and Goddess.
बधाई हो गुरुजी बधाई हो
The full name of monastery is Tawang Golden Namgyel Hati. If we explain the words in detail, Ta means horse, Wang means chosen, which together forms the word Tawang. The meaning is the location selected by horse. Further, garden means paradise. Namgyel means complete victory. And Lhase means divine. Thus, the full meaning of Tawang Golden Namgyel Hati is the city chosen by the horse, is the divine paradise of complete victory. Tawang Monastery is known in Tibetan as Garden Namgyel Hati, which translated to the divine paradise of complete victory. It was founded by Meron Lama Lodro Gyatso in 17th century in accordance with the wish of the 5th Dalai Lama, Tawang Lobsang Gyatso. It belongs to the HELOO school of Vajrayana Buddhism and had a religious association with Tibetan monastery of Lhasa, which continued during period of British rule. In the history of Tibetan, this kind of monastery become like kingdom during their periods. This kingdom has several edifices within the premise, but the most prominent one is the Dukhan or the Assembly Hall. This is also the main building of the monastery, which is equally marked with magnificent artwork. Inside the world of Dukhan, the most importantly, the giant statue of Lord Buddha sit peacefully in the middle of the northern side of the monastery, which is very shining and glow. You can notice sketch of several saints and bodhisattva, and also other god and goddess. Beside the Dukhan, there is another building, which important structure in the monastery is the court, which hosts religious dance and other ceremony. And from the court building, there is also a stair up to the museum of the monastery, which has 2 floors. So this museum was also inaugurated and consecrated by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama on 8 November 2009, and most of the material things objects belong to 19th century. And the monastery is 3 stories high. It is enclosed by a 925 feet alone compound well. Within the complex area, there are 65 residential buildings covered with golden color. And also in Tawang Monastery, there is a big library and museum also. The library of the monastery has available old scripts, manually, Kanjur and Tenjur. So the name of the library is Library of Center for Buddhist Culture Studies, Tawang Monastery School. It was inaugurated and consecrated by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama on 8 November 2009. So when we enter in the first floor, we will come across 2 rooms. The right side room is belong to the Tibetan Buddhist text and also religious text. And left side of the room, they put the modern literature in English and dictionaries and storybook, a documentary book, magazines, and so many. So the second floor of the library is full of Kanjur and Tenjur, which they preserve to read and to practice. According to Buddhist or Tibetan Buddhist, the Kanjur, it was a text with translation of the words of Lord Buddha. And Tenjur, it is also a text, a translation of treatise. 어쩌면이 더내기 기술 라인하우스 갖고 있는 거네. 이러고 와서. 그래.
हम लोग अभी पहुंचा है तावांग मोनेस्ट्री का कैफे में पहुंचा है अभी यहाँ पर।
और मेनू में क्या क्या है?
मेन्यू में तो बहुत है, बता नहीं सकता, आप यहाँ पर देख लीजिए।
अच्छा
मेन्यू
मेनू इतना अच्छा है, बहुत ही नया, बढ़िया बढ़िया है।
나다 신경 말아 이네 칸가서 님도 줘요.
इंटरनेट नाम